Good morning, everybody. It is 5:41, 11/30, 2020. I had put in a trade last night around 1 o'clock in the morning. Let's see what we got here. So I went into the trade with $2, and won $20. I did it in the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, where my entry was, quite beautiful. So let's look at what we have as far as money. So I just woke up to $362. You guys seen what I made last night, and this is what I made right now. My goal for the day is only $300, so I can say I can be done right now. So that's 326. Let's take that out. That is 200, and that was 200, I think. That's 26, another 26, 27, 27, and 28. All right, so we just took out $300. It was at 400. You know, the market fluctuates up and down. We got into this candlestick somewhere around here. It looks as if this is going to make another higher high. But we have to be careful because it is the opening of the market in the next 15 minutes or so. So we don't want to stay into a candlestick like that, because if it drops this way, we will lose money, especially if we were in a buy. So we're going to have to wait and watch for a little bit and see what happens, because we've been making higher highs all night and we're up here. So we need to know that this candlestick is going to go into a bullish direction. It looks as if it is. What we're going to do is go into this candle with 20 cents in a buy. So I have 20 cents in right now, and I'm just going to watch it and see what happens, see if it fluctuates or not. The 20 cents that we did right now, it already has us in a positive 22 cents, 24 cents. So I want to make sure that this makes a higher high. A higher high would be this candle shooting higher than this candle. It needs to be high as this candle for me to get in it. So what I'm waiting on right now is a momentum candle, which usually happens around 6 o'clock or a little bit before or a little bit after. So we're looking for either a buy or a sell. If we're going to a sell, the candle should be lower than this. Made a lower low, so we're waiting. Sell down here, buy up here. Okay. So right now, let's look and see if we got any other pairs moving. Let's see what Euro USD is doing. Wow, look at that. Euro USD is moving really good too. I will be looking for a buy. I have this trend line. It looks as if my candle has passed the trend line, so this should be going into a buy. And that is the 1 hour time period. It made little moves throughout the night, but it did make some moves. This is the 5-minute window through my trend line. So it made higher and then just stayed hovering. So that did make some money. I'm expecting this to make some higher highs. I need this candlestick to start shooting up. Let's see what USD is doing. wait on that one. Wow. I missed that big move last night. USD JPY. This was my trend line. Last night, in the 1 hour time frame, this moved up here. It moved all the way up here. And then shot all the way up here. So somebody made some money. And then it did a pullback. Then this candle happened with a wick. And then this candle happened with a wick. This looks as if this is going to go bullish because of the wick rejections that's happening here. So we're going to have to watch and wait that one too. The franc and the Japanese yen did also a uptrend. So it made an uptrend. That was the line. Okay. It broke past my trend line and then it shot up some more. So if you made money on CHF, JPY, that was a good buy too. Again, we have a lot of wick at the bottom, wick here. There should be an uptrend. You never go against the trend unless you just really cold at trading. So right now, we're back at the USD. We're just going to chill out and watch it. So I'm about to end this video. Look at that. We got a little bit of pullback here. Let's see what happens. I need to go put a pot of coffee on real quick. No, even though this red is forming, don't really mean nothing. What I look for is higher highs and lower lows. Right now, this will be considered a low. And this, if it drops down here, would be a lower low. Because it'll be lower than the next candle. It's not doing anything yet, so we're just going to sit here and wait. And then it does that. Indecision. Wick at the bottom, wick at the top. We made hell of money today. So we're already over our goal, so we're not going to trade with anything big. I'm not going any bigger into any of the sales or the buys with more than $1. So we're just going to get what we can out of that. But other than that, I'm not putting in no big lot sizes because we already made a nice sum of cash. We did our goal. And that's the most important thing, is doing your goal every day. Don't overextend because you can get too cocky and lose. And it's never good to be cocky. Well, this one is going to stand still for a minute. Oh, that's my alarm clock telling me to get up, but I already been up. Look at that. My other alarm clock going on. All my clocks are going on. Okay, so it looks like I got a momentum candle forming. As it shoots up here, we will buy into it. You see how they did nothing? It's still staying really low. We don't hop into anything. Right now, we in it with 20 cents. That's not going to kill us. But if we want to hop in it and get some money, we don't hop into it until the candle gets here. Man. wonder if I got any creamer. I might have to go to Starbucks. Need me a caramel macchiato. Maybe some banana nut bread or double smoked bacon, Gouda. That do sound good. I think I might go to Starbucks. No, I don't have a VPN for Trader's Way. Okay, what we're gonna do here? Indecision. Meanwhile, let's check out another pair and see what's happening. Okay, so Euro USD and GDP USD are doing the same exact things. Yeah, I'm switching back and forth between the screens. I know you guys can see that. This candle is shrinking down after it made a low. That made a lower low. Technically, we should be in this trade. I'm waiting to see what's happening with this. This did make a lower low. It looks as if this is going into a sell. But I like to be thorough. I don't want to hop into this yet. I want to see this candle really take off. Looks like this thing wants to do something. Okay, this been in an uptrend all day. And now it's trying to break structure. Shooting down, and now we have a green candle forming. That's what I thought. Not happening that. That's a fake out candle. This thing might jump all the way back up. Let's see. If it starts to pass our line, we go into a buy. Also, my alligator mouth is open. That means it's time to eat. It's faced up. Also, the candlesticks are above my 20 moving average, so safe to say that we finna go for another ride up the food chain. So we're just watching and waiting. We're just watching and waiting. That look like this is going to USD JPY. Look like it's gonna go into a buy. Sure does. Nice wick rejections at the bottom. This is very strong too. That look like that might go into a buy. Okay, we got another candle forming on GDP. What is happening here? Just blow it up. I don't want to make this video ridiculously long, so if it decides to jump, I will make another video. Until then, let me go put some coffee on the pot, and I will talk to you guys in a little bit. I will be back.